Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 pros and cons of having the new iPad Pro. Let's get right into it. So we're just going to go right down the pros list first. Number 1 is convenience for school. Being able to digitally take notes and go paperless is a really great advantage and a plus for me. Number 2 is an on-the-go type of device. Now whether you're a college student or whether you're using it for business, this device can carry all of your PDF files in one device. It's pretty awesome. Number 3 is the Apple Store. We all love the Apple Store. They have some great apps. Number 4, long battery life. Now I believe it's supposed to hold the charge up to 10 hours or so, but it's really nice and it's really noticeable that I don't have to charge this every single second or every minute of the day. Number 5, the diversity of the apps. Now whether you're using it for college, business, or anything like that, the apps are really diverse and you can explore all new types of possibilities and hobbies with the App Store. So it's pretty awesome, and you got this beautiful display to use the apps on. So let's get into the cons of this device. Number 1, definitely, you see this everywhere, is the cost. The cost of this device is pretty expensive. Mine came out to be $1,100, but by the time you add accessories and stuff like that, it can easily top 13, 14, 15, all the way up to $2,000 possibly on accessories for the iPad Pro. Number 2, distraction. Now if you're not careful and you're not disciplined and you end up downloading other apps, it's super easy to go to something like YouTube or Facebook or anything like that and just binge watch a bunch of stuff and a lot of posts rather than doing your school assignments or stuff like that. Just something productive. So it's really easy to be distracted on this device. Number 3 is the limited storage available on this device. Now it ranges from 64, 128, 256 all the way up to 512 gigabytes. But that really isn't a problem because if you're like me, I just started using the iCloud and it's actually really convenient. It's only $1 a month for 50 gigabytes. Pretty awesome deal if you ask me. Utilize iCloud. Number 4, not good for photo or video. Now, I don't know about you, but this is the last thing I would use for photo or video. Now, yes, you can scan PDF files with this, which is super handy, but that is not the same as using this device to take photos and or do video. I would not do that with this device. It's not that great. And number 5, which I want to apply to a lot of people, but to photographers and videographers, is the lack of a SD card slot to easily transfer photos and stuff like that. Once again, that really isn't a problem because there's iCloud, but you can always log into iCloud on your computer and download it that way as well. So that's just a small one. Now those are my 5 personal pros and cons of the new iPad Pro. Overall, it's a really awesome device. I use it mainly for school. Do you need an iPad Pro? Absolutely not. Should you get one? If you want to, yes. If you want to use it for school, also yes. It's a great idea to use this also for school. Other than that, that's all I got for this video. Stay tuned for another one. Again, if you got any questions or comments, leave it down in the comment section down below. Any apps you want me to review, just let me know and I'll hop right onto it. Till next time, stay tuned for another video. Later.